I've been working as a full stack developer and I've transitioned into this vibe coding new startup idea. So we want to start vibe code today, day zero, and go live, launch this product to the market. And we do have MVP ready. So there are a few products that I'm building right now. One of them is the ShipDeck that I'm working on. So ShipDeck is for the vibe coders, or uh, it's easier for you to ship products full end to end on a box. You may want to get your own box from here. So we do have two products that are running. So Fanstart so for now just it on. So this is for the YouTubers and freelancers who want back. So when you actually make the product, you can get a pledge. And if you can run a board, get your products as a pledge, for example, like this, have a product and you can get your subscribers to pledge on this product. And once you hit the pledge limit, we close this campaign and then your card is. So to give you more idea on how it works, here's the idea browser and I'm building this. I can run instant chat with this on product, but I can build, and here this is what working right now. So I'm running Claude Code on the ShipDeck. The other product I was talking about is the Sales Coach. So AI Sales Coach is a workflow that I converted into app, and the workflow was on the Gumroad. It's about a workflow that you can run with your for your team, sales call team, to get the insight how your call went. So just converted that NNN workflow into app that looks something like this. So you have a dashboard, how many calls analyzed. This is just a basic MVP. You add in your Fathom key, acted, have to add in your webhook URL, but I want to make sure that this webhook URL is added from it directly API key. Slack, you can get the updates on Slack. So there are two products, or at least three. One is ShipDeck that I want to launch very quickly. Deck next step. So to give you a more concrete idea on what this app is about the we can start a brand new idea from this idea browser. Very easy to work. I can browse more ideas from select which one I want to do. Video skill test with scorecard, deadline tracking service, codes, remote movement, real estate video tool, pull request scanner that flags risky AI code. Let me create this new because I didn't had the sales AI sales coach in the browser. So I will go back here. These are workspaces. You create more workspace and then have your active there. Can you run this? Can you run Idea Browser and register this as a project, and then we would run deep research. We would run all kind of next steps because this is what I already had in NNN workflow. Now I want to launch this as a product, and I would also launch multiple integration with different tools. So we could get the sales call transcription, and we could also have a transcription that's running real time to give you cues on your call real time. So these are new features that I'm talking about, but we can go with the idea browser MCP to create this product, and then we would also need the next steps on the emails, landing pages, all the copies. So um, yes, let's run through that idea browser MCP and different tools it gives you. So enter. These are two Claude code running onto separate terminals. We shipped here real chart. I am also running different apps. review phone or correction bugs. I'm just going to go through my normal workflow because when you apps on remote boxes, then you need workflows like bug, add more functionalities and features. Nothing takes until deployed. AI sales coach is here, and for the Fanstart, focus, 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 read the copy. Your comments say 10,000 people that find out how many dollars based on it. But and here, when you're working on a box, very simple drag and drop to files, so it gets pasted in. But I'm running Claude Code. You could run any other harness, and I'm also using Oddmem, another useful tool for compacting it in line. So agent never gets have to it knows what happened backend is, what time, what date we did these edits. So it's very useful. So a run full market competitor, I say with proper search, people copy, new idea. But before that, let me show you how I normally start my working with deck. And you normally, but I can get myself a new box. And here's the landing page. Still is sub with need cards. Running a $1 trial, $50 trial, land on account that looks like. So this is what you can buy any box, for example, your usage, and have the in this box you can get like four small tabs, but recommended I think is recommended, or if you go server XYZ. So this is a non-refundable. Once you pay for it and gets added to you, and you want to cancel it. So when I confirm and create, should create a new box here. Start my bit here. That in here. Here's your domains. Here, for example, I'm running a new app. Go into here, very little domain expertise. AI kitchen audits, walk through this like as a app, marketplace, product pack, creators with large content libraries. AI ad quality assurance platform, one link. Bug reporting tool that auto writes building code reference factors, retention software for buyers, recruitment agent portfolio hiring, everything in one smart workflow. And it plugs into your existing ADS job boards, application tools, then uses automation to move candidates seamlessly through your pipeline. Interesting. No more manual data entry, no more switching between tabs. You charge 500 per recruiter per month, 5K, 20K monthly team. Candidate tracking software, recruiting, tracking tools. As good keyword volume. So we can select this product So this is working on top of LinkedIn, and LinkedIn is the main competitor. If you do it, comparison is significant growth, significantly driven by getting demand over driven. This is a big tool software. So domain expertise required, technical founder needed, or you can do the technical founder, but domain expertise is required. You already have it. So we need to find the founders, the domain expert to complete this tool. But let's now, for example, we got this new idea. So how do I have the MCP running? No. Do you have good agent? It's not working. Here we are. Manual tour flag 5 not done as planned. 5 notification center multi-recipe large and not started. Schedule session 3rd dashboard button. It's a new API backend. Data source. Did the SLA breach SMS off? PD roster control. I'm going to stop here and create it.